Hi, my name is DJ Mel, and I am here to show you the GoDock that is just being released. We are releasing it today, so stay tuned for it. I'm here to show you all the features and the cool things you can do with the GoDock. So to get right into it, right across the bottom here is your GoDock. You have a minimize, close, multiple window button. You have a games folder. You have a web folder. You have a search SL folder, and also you have a suggestion box. So to get started, let's click on the web folder, and that will open up your web folder applications. Now there are 6 of them loaded here, the first of which is Google. So we can go to the GoDock page, and this will bring up a Google search. You can search the internet for anything you desire. It is Google. Mostly I fear this will be used for Second Life trivia, but you can use it any way that you see fit. If I want to close this window, quite simply, the red X down here on the lower left corner, I just click that and it automatically closes. You also have the other application, Pandora. Pandora is an online radio station for those that live outside of the United States that might not know. And this is the case. Pandora is a radio station that you can listen to online. It does not hold your login information, so once you log out of Second Life, you will have to log back in because this is not an actual database. So I can actually log in here, and let's do that. Let's jump over to the password, why not, and log in directly. And we can actually start playing music, and we can, there you go. It was actually really loud. Let me turn that down. So there you go. Music is playing. And if I want to keep the music playing, I can minimize this. And right now it is minimized, so it's still running in the background, as you can hear. Hopefully you can hear that. I'm not sure. We'll check in a little while. Actually, you know what? I know it's not, so let me turn this up a little bit. There we go. Now I'll turn it on. There we go. Now I know it's there. Okay, so if I want to bring this back up, I can do that simply by clicking this window button here. And there it is, and I can just click on it. And there it is. And also, this works through a teleport. So if I wanted to teleport out of here to somewhere else, let's go up here, shall we? So there we go. I teleported through, and it still runs just fine. It's a very cool feature to have a radio station going. Now I'm going to leave this running here, so I'm going to keep that going. We also have, of course, YouTube, which is also very cool. You can go there and watch YouTube videos right in Second Life. You don't have to open up a web browser. This does it for you. And you can go in here and click on anything you want. So if you want to watch the second rocket-powered flight, you can watch that as well. Let's see here. Let's jump in so you can see the graphics. There you go. It's very cool. Now, if your computer has flash capability, you can actually full screen it. There'll be an icon of flash down in your taskbar, and you can just open that up and do that full screen right on your computer. And you can use escape to close out of it. So you do have full screen capability there. I can minimize that also if I want to. Now we also have a instant messenger. This is an IM Plus website. You do not require an account to log in with them. It is fully online secured database where you can actually log into basically any of your accounts that you have out there, whether it's Yahoo, Gmail, Skype. You can log into all of them. Facebook, ICQ. You can log into any of your accounts here. So if I wanted to go into this account and open up my Gmail, gmail.com, there we go. I can actually pull up my instant messenger, and as you'll see, it shows me online, it shows me connecting, and it has all my contacts right there. It is a very cool feature. Very, very handy to use. I don't have to leave Second Life to get all my information. Wikipedia is also another thing that we loaded on here. Wikipedia is very handy for those need-to-know informations. It is also the 6th most researched website in the world. So we put that on there as well. And then we also put, of course, the #1 needed website, everybody needs it, was Facebook. You can log into your Facebook, and as long as you're on Second Life and running, this will stay logged in for you unless you log out. Very cool feature to have on this HUD. So we also have Search in SL. This is for basically anything Second Life. We included the NSL server grid status. So if you're in Second Life and you want to know if there's something going on, you can just go down here and open up the SL grid status, and this is where it will take you to see if there's anything new going on in SL. You also have a script me. Now this is a tool that I have used very much. It is a very cool tool to use for simple scripts that you want to get. So if you want to res an object, so just click on this little circle here, res an object 0.5 meters. As soon as someone touches it, when the avatar touches the object, when the script starts running, repeat timer. It has all kinds of very cool, really quick scripts that you can make. And of course, once you do it, you can make it, and then it automatically gives you your script that you can copy into your object. It is a very cool feature to have. A nice tool to have if you're a builder, especially a very low-end builder like myself. Coming up next, oh, be quiet. Coming up next is, of course, we have the LSL color codes. So for your particles and things like that, you have LSL Wiki, the Search in SL Market. So if you want to search anything in the marketplace, you can just open this up. You don't have to open up another browser. This is the marketplace search bar. You just go in here, type in close, and it'll bring up your search. And one other thing that we did include in here was the NSL forums. So you can go to the Second Life forums for any assistance that you may need in Second Life. And one of my favorite things about this HUD is, of course, games. We have included games on this GoDock. You can just open up 6 games to choose from. This one, of course, being Pac-Man. And we can just play that. Let me turn this on a little bit. There you go. Oh yeah. Watch out. 1, 2. Oh boy. I never say that I'm great at this game, but you know, I have fun with it. I really do. All right. Now I hate the game. So there's Pac-Man. We also have other games. 6 games to choose from. Donkey Kong, Tetris, Duck Hunt. We have Bubble Break and Frogger. Frogger is my favorite, even though I can never beat the first level. I am willing to admit that. You can play Frogger right on here. You see what I'm saying? Built in. Now I will show you another cool feature. Let's say you have Pandora running, because you love the music. You have Pandora running all the time, like myself. I always do. So that's going to be open. Let's say we're checking server grid status. We want to know if there's anything going on Second Life, so we can check the grid status. And let's say we're playing Pac-Man at the same time. So we have 3 things to choose from. Now there are 3 windows here, and of course, being stacked up on top of each other, you can't see either one of them. But let's say you're playing your Pac-Man game, or you're checking the grid status, and you want to change the song in Pandora. You can do that rather easy. All you have to do is click on this 3 window, and it will stack your windows for you so that you can choose which one you want to go to. I'm going to die. I died. I full-on died. All right. You can choose which window you go to. So you can go back to Pandora, and you can change your song, or you can go back to the grid status and check your grid status, or you can just go back to your Pac-Man game and get ready to die again, because that's all that's going to happen. So there I go. Died one more time. Everything is web-based as far as the pages are concerned. So just click on and go. So if you click on a page and it doesn't appear to be responding, just click on it one more time. You may have to activate it when you first touch it because it's an embedded page. So just click on it. It is very cool, very handy. Oh, and of course, we have included a suggestion box. Now this suggestion box here on the lower right, almost forgot. We can open this up. This is for suggestions that you might have for updates or different features you would like to see on a later version of this. We have included a server-based update for this HUD. So as suggestions come in for the GoDock, you can send it in. So you could say, I would like to see pretty... That's not how you say it. I would like to see kill airplanes on the HUD, or whatever. It doesn't really matter. Click submit. It will go to the company's email, my company, asapcpu.com. We provide very high quality, low costing streams in Second Life. You can check us out, asapcpu.com, for that. But that will go to our website, and we will get it promptly. After we get a certain number of fantastic features or updates or things that would like to be changed, we will be releasing an updated version of this HUD, and you can get it very easily. This HUD is completely free. There is no charge of this HUD. We are handing it out for free to use. It is a tool that has been in the works for a while. We are not marketing it. We are just giving it away for free. This is not to be resold. This is not to be modified or added to any objects that you are creating. This is just a HUD, a handy tool that we wish everyone to use and enjoy. So make sure nobody makes money on this. If you find somebody that is trying to sell it or mimic the object, click the suggestion box, send in the name of the person, their shop, and what their product is, and we will get that issue resolved. This is going to be a free item for everyone to use and enjoy, and I hope you enjoy yours. Check out our shop, asapcpu.com. You can go to our marketplace through there. You can also go to our shop in Second Life, where you can find great streams, 128K a second, 500 lindens a month for unlimited listeners. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and we will speak very soon.